channel. This is Pimp my rotor, and thank you to GearBest for sending me some stuff to review. Knife. Don't worry, it's not going to hurt anyone. Now, let's have a look at this one. Plain box, Born to Race, 132 scale, age 8+. So here we have controller and little car. Ah, it's a little Zingo. You see that? What I'll do is I'll just unbox them and then we'll get to the fun part and take them out. So there we go, a little Zingo, 132 scale. I've had one of these before and they're pretty little nifty little cars actually. Right, next one. Mad Runner. Wow, okay, interesting. Oh, try not to damage it. Here we go. Right, certainly well done up. Okay, Mad Runner. What scale are we talking about here? 120 scale. Okay, it's quite a large box for a 120 scale. Let's have a look. We'll do it out of this. There we go. Got there in the end, eh? Right. Polystyrene. Wow, okay. Nicely packaged. A few accessories down the bottom. Oh, look at that, isn't that cute? Brilliant. 27 Sport, go. Very flashy looking. I love the scale. I have a feeling that's going to be fun to drive. Looks like it takes some batteries at the bottom there. To see what batteries it takes, probably some AA's, AAA's, who knows. We'll have a look. Brilliant, so we'll put that one down there and we'll get to the fun stuff. Comes with your normal accessories, which is USB charger and the controller. So a little controller, very basic looking controller. Does the job, no doubt. Right, on down there. And now for the big one, which is full proportion racing truck. Sorry, high speed racing truck. Truck suspension technology through superior handling and control. A new category of off-road excitement. Okay, 38 kilometers an hour. Let's see, and the scale of this one is, let's see what it says. It doesn't say. IPX4 waterproof level. Okay, so basically it takes a bit of splashing. I think it's a 112. Let's see. Okie dokie. There we go. Let's see what we got. Manual. Oh, there she is. Looking like a black widow spider on the top of it. There we go. Quite nice looking car. Plasticky tyres. Don't think there's any foam in there. Suspension looks, yep, it's all toy grade. Well, let's take them out and see how they do. Thank you, GearBest. Bye.